Hi guys, this is Liana, and today I'm going to be doing call out penalties. And as you see, I have no one in goal, and it is 4 foot 8 inches. Yes, 4 foot 8 inches. Is that okay? But it is. So yeah, let's get down to. And I am here, right in position. Let's do it. Guys, now I'm going to go down the middle. Guys, that isn't quite the middle. Now I'm going to go that was bottom left. So I'm going to try top right. Oh, that was bottom right. Right, I said bottom left side. Now I'm going to go straight down the middle. That was middle. Guys. This one's left. Top left and top right. Top left. Cross. Top right. Oh, down the middle. Cross. Oh. Guys, I am so good. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to stop doing that. I'm going to do it to the woodwork. And the woodwork is a good one. You have to do try and hit the crossbar, and right. So, do you think I can do it? Do you? Well, let's just see if I can. All this noise is cars and buses. I live road. Right, I'm going to try and crossbar. Go right back of the car. Right back. Does it have the car ready? Oh, this is hard, guys. It is hard. It is hard. You know what? Let's just try. Push it, guys. There we go, guys. I've got it, guys. Now that was a tight crossbar. So now, let's come around it. White post. Oh yes, it hits it on. But that doesn't count. Oh, crossbar. No, white post. No, shit. Guys, I'm gonna have to end. So yeah.